welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie. Well, they already know who I am. Why did I have to say my name? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press that bell notification so you can stay updated on when I post. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a slick up with a puff. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Alright, so first, crusty. Right now my hair is just, my curls are stretched out and she's looking like she needs help. But let's get started. So I have my leave-in, my hair jelly, my cream, and my gel that I use for my hair. Let me move this out of my face. So I first start with wetting my hair, of course. And I got this bottle from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. But I start to wet the middle of my hair, but only like the part right here. Like I don't wet the ends because I don't want them to shrink up. I want my puff to kind of be like nice and big. If I'm going for a like big puff that's like tall and wide, I sometimes do wet the ends because I can always like fluff it out. But if I'm going for the more like not stringy, I want to say, but how my hair was in my previous video, the Curl Fest video, I usually leave the ends as they are and I'll put like a little bit of product in them if I feel like it needs it. But I first start off with wetting my hair, it's dripping, and kind of massaging that into my hair. And once I feel like the middle is like all set on getting some water into it, I start going around the sides. Alright, so next, take my leave-in conditioner from Pattern Beauty, and I am almost out of it, as you can see. Tea.
So here I go to talk about stuff that absolutely no one is asking for, so please just disregard this.
So I kind of just put the leave-in conditioner around my hair, like you saw. Gonna try to get back here. And already, like my hair, like even without doing a lot, it's already like easy to like kind of put up. The hard part is really the middle, because when you put the scrunchie in, you don't want it to be puffy where you put the scrunchie. You want it to be like nice and slick, so when you go to like brush it up, there isn't any bumps in it. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Pattern Beauty shower brush and just start brushing my hair upward like this. So I'm going to take my scrunchie. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to put it up right now, but I'm just going to kind of like fake it. Where I just do this. I'll keep it up there just so that I can focus more on right here. Next, I'm going to take my, let's see, actually first, sometimes I like to do this. I don't do it all the time, but I take the hair that's right here. And sometimes I like leaving it out. It's really cute to do that with slick ups or slick backs. They both look really cute. So now I'm gonna take my Eco Style gel. This is the original one, but my hair is already like nice and soft from the water, from the leave-in conditioner. So now I'm gonna take my gel, rub it around my hands, kind of move the ends out of the way and just like brush it on the outside of my hair. So now I'm gonna take my brush again, and now I'm gonna actually start like brushing it up slowly so that I'm not taking hairs out of place. I'm gonna take this scrunchie out so I can kind of get closer. Sometimes, like, as I'm trying to fix it, this happens. So I take scrunchie and I kind of like pull it forward, and then it'll stay more how I want it to. Oh my god. Now, got the hair up. The back of my hair is a lot shorter than the front. So right now, even though my hair is stretched out, you can kind of see like this is laying forward, but the back is like shorter. So it just kind of have to like work with what you got. I'm just gonna twirl these because I want them to be like down. I hate when they start sticking up sideways. I'm gonna take some more gel, put it in my hands, do the same thing, and bring it around. I'm not gonna brush it this time. I'm only gonna put the gel in it. So that I can get the hair to stay on its own. I'm gonna take this afro pick, and I'm just gonna kind of see where and how I want it to look. So for the back, and now because the back of my hair is a lot shorter, I'm gonna have to puff it up a little bit more so that it can stay even with the front. All right, so now for the edges, kind of just use this and take out. All right, so this is the final look. My hair has kind of hardened up a little bit, like in the back. It's still kind of wet and, well, it's still kind of damp, I should say, but overall it's pretty dry. So I'm gonna give it a little 360. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put this hairstyle together. If you liked today's video, make sure to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel for more curly hair videos. Bye.
Say let's run anything you want just to prove my love. Say let's run,